How's your food?
Good.
How was your day?
Good.
John, I think we need to talk.
We're talking right now.
No. I mean, like, have a real conversation.
Oh yeah, we do.
I don't know where to start.
Go on.
No, you go first. Well, let's go at the same time. I'm
I
pregnant.
wanna break up. What?
You're breaking up with me?
I'm not ready to have a child yet. And I'm not ready to have you as a wife either.
I can't believe
No
you,
wonder
John.
no one wants to be with you.
How could you?
Here, I got you this pregnancy kit. And I was doing some research earlier about this abortion clinic, and I really think they can help you down there. And yeah, I wrote you this check. Use the money for the abortion. What the heck are you doing? You're not supposed to be having fun out there. We're in the middle of a situation here.
Why can't we do this together?
I don't want to be with you anymore. I don't care if you're pregnant or not. We're done.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it for you. I'll do it so that you know how much I love you.
I have work. We'll talk about this later. Be smart about this.
We'd be so less fragile if we're made from metal and our hearts from iron and our minds from steel. And if we built an armor for our tender bodies, could we love each other? Would we stop to feel? And you want 3 wishes, one to fly the heavens, one to swim like fishes, and then one you're saving for a rainy day. If your lover ever takes your love away. You say you want to know her like your lover and undo her damage. She'll be
John, I just realized how stupid I was. Not because I got pregnant, but because I followed your suggestion. You never cared about us. Running away is truly your best talent. Yes, I agree that going our separate ways was for the best. I'd rather not see you again. And by the way, I did the abortion. Guess what? They were twins. Yeah, sounds great, right? We just killed 2 birds with one stone.